All right, guys, thank you for arriving to this video, and thank you, Thanksgiving. I'm very excited today to be here at Lucky, where we are going to purchase a turkey, and we are going to see if we can teach you how to skateboard on a turkey, which you probably shouldn't do, but if you do it, make sure you donate to your local food bank. We are going to play a game of skate, and for every letter that occurs within the game of skate, one turkey will be donated to the local food bank for families in need, so everybody can have a great Thanksgiving meal this Thanksgiving. It's about giving back, guys, so let's give back. I hope you guys are about to have an awesome Thanksgiving, and I hope this video makes your day just a little bit brighter, if nothing else. So let's go see if we can find a very frozen turkey and figure out some way to skate this. I think we need some sort of straps or wire or strings, or how are we gonna put the trucks on? Gabe?
I don't really know. I think we just gotta get lucky.
Let the lucky jokes commence.
I must say, this is the strangest lucky I've ever been in my life.
It's very dark and morbid.
No, I don't like it.
Here we go. Where's the turkey? Must be over here.
Probably in the back somewhere. Oh, chips.
Mini Takis.
We're here for the turkey, but there's also some other stuff that we have to get.
Like what?
Like stuff for another video. Sneak peeks. Some like waffle stuff, some biscuits.
Oh no, get out.
I'm serious.
Yes. So we're trying to skateboard on a frozen turkey. Do you have any way that we could attach skateboard trucks to a frozen turkey?
No.
No way.
No.
You think it's just not possible?
I don't think so, man. I don't think we can do that.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Look at how big those turkeys are.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Give me the most frozen one you got.
And the biggest one.
16 pounds.
It is rock solid.
Yes.
Yo, you mean the freezer will be even more rock solid?
Yep.
Let's go.
Oh.
Hook it up. Lucky has the best customer service I've ever experienced. We have to actually solve how we're putting the trucks onto this turkey. Do we have hardware that's this long?
I was thinking we put it on a tray of some sort. Oh, yes.
Oh, wow.
20
I
pounds?
took a large one, and there's more over here.
But this is like what, this is as frozen as it gets?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's perfect.
You rock.
Okay.
Thank you. We need to find Bisquick. They don't have Bisquick anymore.
Belgian waffle mix, bro.
I'm fine with that.
Here we got waffles, eggs, and turkey. We're having the best meal ever.
Wow. All right, let's do it.
Happy Thanksgiving, it's Thanksgiving. We're happy about it, so thank you. Oh, yeah, that's right. There's a pattern. Anytime I blink, it's like a disco. La 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 la. Butterball Premium, all natural. Should we see if these guys want to skate a turkey? You ready to skate? Yeah. Wow. Happy Thanksgiving. All the way from Brazil, they're ready to skate the turkey. Hey, Carlos. Yes, that is a legit turkey. No big deal. No! Guys, can we get some problem-solving skills here?
We cook it and we eat it.
You know we're not going to do that. Turkey does put you to sleep, tryptophan, and we don't want that. We want to stay awake.
I'd rather go to sleep right now.
Caffeinated turkey.
Daniel, do you... The premise here is it possible to skate a turkey?
Absolutely.
I'm a little bit more open-minded for all the videos that we've done this last year, so, I mean, maybe?
We skated a Tesla door.
There's no way.
I guess we need to define, like, what would constitute skating the turkey. Like, at least a shove it. If we can do at least a shove it, it has been skated.
I feel like it should be a shove it and down both the little and big bank, and that should constitute that we skate it. Because the shove it is flat, and then you have to travel some distances.
Done.
Slap it. Are you gonna leave the plastic stuff bagness on?
I thought yes.
No.
Gabe says no.
Second thing, that's not gonna work because it's gonna be slippery. So that's gonna defeat the purpose.
Look at it.
Look, you are the most negative person.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You put grip tape on it.
100%.
Shove it, roll down the big bank and the small
We
bank.
shook on it. I don't even know what we bet, but we shook on it.
We're gonna do much more than just grip tape. Trust me, I'm going all ham on this turkey.
That grossed me out.
I don't like ham.
Hardware. But it's wet.
Hardware. Give me trucks, please. I like the look of that.
I'll help you out in your journey to failure.
Here we go. First try. Oh, I can feel the juices oozing into my delicious meal.
I mean, this can't be any worse.
It is sucking in.
Okay, that is rock solid.
Huh?
I don't think it's gonna work.
Dude.
Wow.
Some of them might be going into bones and other ones might just be hitting me.
Let's go. First try.
Turkey jokes. Let them roll. Oh, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It'll never work.
Work that. Work. Oh!
What? What? What now? Now I need my stunt double.
Come on, Carlos. A lot is riding on this.
Oh, it's slippery.
Look at that. Look at that.
How did he stay on? He's incredible.
He just gobbled that challenge
Yeah,
up.
he did. Big bank. Big bank.
Dude, that was
Flap
so
his
scary.
wings and fly?
Wow.
Do turkeys fly?
Oh! Not skatable, huh?
He's still gotta
Not
shove it.
skatable, huh?
Still gotta shove it.
Aaron, it's on you.
We're supposed to play a game of skate on this, actually.
You got 2 out of 3.
Shove it. First try. Let's go.
Grilled
Someone
turkey?
do a boneless turkey.
Turkey on a stick, turkey barbecue, microwave turkey. It is skatable. You just can't do tricks on it.
So it's a game of skate, and for every letter in the game of skate, we're donating a turkey to the local food bank. So who wants to play a game of skate? You?
Got a little bit of
And
experience so far, so we'll go.
I'm here.
Full park game of skate. Carlos versus Fetty. Winner takes all turkey.
Aaron, I need your best turkey impersonation.
I'm a turkey.
No, I need your best gobble.
Gobble.
Come on.
I'm a turkey and I gobble.
Okay.
I need you. Give me your best gobble. Oh! Hey, Luke, I need your best gobble.
Dude, I'm not a gobbler.
Gobble, bro.
Go.
For thy Thanksgiving 2018, thy shall play a game of skate. Winner take all turkey. Go ahead, Rochambeau. Wow.
Are we
Carlos
counting the
goes
letters
first.
of turkey?
They got this. This is full park, Gabe. He's gonna ride and do a body varial.
Oh, no.
I could have told you that was not gonna work out, boy. I told you hit the bank.
No! That's so gross! Oh!
He really ate it.
Ah!
Runaway turkey.
Knuckles. Turkey. Thanksgiving.
This is sanitary,
Why
right?
don't you just ride down the bank, Carlos? What are you doing?
Oh!
I think that does count, right?
Is anyone keeping track?
Fetty has an S.
Fetty now has an S. So that is one turkey.
One turkey down.
1 foot ride down? Wow.
He really gobbled that one up.
What is wrong with him? How can he ride down a bank 1 foot on a turkey?
It seemed like that wasn't even planned. He really winged it.
Fetty!
That's okay. Oh! Oh, the bone's sticking out.
Finally, Fetty with a trick. Let's see if Carlos got it.
Oh! Letter! What are you thankful for this year?
I am thankful for all of the people that have been part of the Braille Army this entire journey and have helped us to go and grow as big as we've gotten and continue to support the videos, what we do, all of the projects that we're involved in. It is incredible.
Fetty, what are you thankful for?
This turkey.
Oh! Turkey!
That turkey did the smoothest 180 I've ever
Oh, you
seen.
see that, dude?
Wow.
That's what you look like when you do your 180 reverse in Manny.
Truth.
I'm gonna roll down the big man.
I think that's disrespectful to the turkey pizza.
Yeah, I also think Carlos is getting a few diseases by not washing his hands first.
That's okay. It's just how he rolls.
I'm hungry, okay?
That's the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life.
What?
Every element of it is terrifying.
Can we just acknowledge that the trucks are still on there?
This holds up better than a lot of skate everything wars we do.
It's true.
Rock the fakie.
We better wrap this up. It's getting really unthawed.
Ow!
It's not every day a turkey base.
That is 20 pounds. Wow! He wants to try it.
It's wet.
Go ahead.
You should have played him in skate.
Wow.
Full send. Oh, that's solid.
Oh.
All right, guys, I wanted to let you know that the Black Friday sale has started now. Everything at brailleskateboarding.com up to 50% off. We have videos, we have skateboards, we have handboards, we have everything. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your Black Friday on. Let's go.
Oh no.
Yes, Gabe, it happened.
Oh!
Wow. When the turkey hits the ground, it makes such a thud. It's sort of like
It's like flesh.
upsets my stomach.
Yeah. Oh no. It's holding up pretty well though.
It is holding up really well. I'm shocked.
He's gonna hate me for this one.
Ladder. Taking it.
What's he gonna do? Hippie jump? Oh yeah.
Oh God, slipped out on that one. Jeez.
Are you okay?
I hit so hard, he did see a flash of light. That might have been Gabe's camera, but I'm not sure.
That's not a good sign.
Your turkey got smoked.
You know, I'm thankful I'm still alive after that
Freddie
fall.
just informed me that when he fell, he got stuffed.
Or base.
Sing the song.
Greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, yam, ram, hog, dogs, green beans, tomatoes.
Oh!
My head hurts after that.
T.
Just ride up to it. You got that.
Nope.
What?
Did you not see what just happened to Carlos?
Fetty has had a very bad experience in his life hippie jumping, so.
Yes.
Turkey! Nigel, what are you grateful for?
I am grateful for everything that I've ever had in my entire life, including you guys and my family and whatnot.
Oh!
Is that the trick?
Oh!
Uh-oh. She's starting to unthaw, boys.
Push him back in.
Wrap it up.
Turkey!
Oh, no. That is so gross.
Now he's not sliding on ice, he's sliding on turkey juice.
Ugh.
Oh, he just fully grabbed it.
I guess that's a trick.
I'm gonna ride up that, put my one foot on the coping, and then put it back on.
That's where it gets damaged, when the turkey starts flailing, like doing several kickflips.
What's that freaking wheel, dude? I got it.
It essentially no longer rolls at this point, so they're gonna see if they can flat ground it to the end of the game. No, no, please don't do that. I'm worried about somebody's safety. Oh, backside body varial, first try.
Oh. What? Oh yeah. See, the wrapping was sticking
go.
to it, now it's starting to slide off.
Let's go.
Oh! You got it, Fetty. Oh! It's so slippery.
Do one more, Fetty. Wow. And there lies Fetty.
Betty, go have at it. No, oh no. Oh! Do it again.
No, don't do it again.
You give it to me. Don't do it again. Here.
Oh.
All right, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turkeys going to the local food bank. So we're gonna go and deliver those turkeys. Here we go.
Oh, we got 1 turkey. Oh, we got 2 turkeys.
Oh no.
Oh, we got 3 turkeys. Oh, we got 4 turkeys. Oh, there's a 5th turkey. Oh, we got 6 turkeys.
And
7 turkeys.
we have 7 turkeys that we're going to donate to our local food bank for Thanksgiving. Because
7.
we skated a turkey and now we're going to donate to the community for families in need, because that's what it's all about on Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, and we're going to go to the food bank now. We'll see you there. This is awesome. This is like a huge amount of turkey.
We have the meat. We got the turkeys.
We're here with some turkeys, and we are donating them to the food bank. These are very heavy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are amazing. I don't know what to do. Hello. We have some turkeys. to donate.
turkeys.
All right.
Woo!
Alright, we'll be giving those out this afternoon.
All
Awesome,
right.
thank you.
Thank
Happy
you, guys.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Wait, is this a bell?
I've never done that before. That was awesome.
That was quick. I thought it was gonna be way more to it.
It says no goods or services were exchanged for this donation. All it was us skating a turkey and giving back to the community. That's all you got to do on
Skate a
Thanksgiving.
turkey and give it back.
All right, you guys, that is the end of our turkey donating adventure. Nigel, thanks for coming with me. Aussie, thank you for filming, and thank all of you guys for watching. I hope you have a seriously awesome Thanksgiving.
Super awesome Thanksgiving.
And we are extremely thankful for every single person.
Every single one of
who
you.
is subscribed, and watches, and does anything for us.
Anything. This is for you.
This for you.
This is for us. This is for everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And we hope whoever gets the 7 turkeys enjoys them.
Hopefully you enjoy them. I'm sure you will.
Hey, look at the puppies. Look at the puppies. Your dogs are so cute. Oh gosh, those are some good. He has a little dress.
Until next time.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you had an incredible Thanksgiving. Thank you. And like I said, the Braille Black Friday sale has started now, so go to brailleskateboarding.com, up to 50% off everything in the store, so go check it out. You guys should learn to skate, get a skateboard, start skateboarding now. We have some awesome Christmas packages, so go to brailleskateboarding.com and get it now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, we are super thankful to have each and every single one of you guys. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Happy Thanksgiving. You guys rule.